What's up, cosplayers?
I was crawling through here.
It's been a while since I did a video. A couple years ago, I did the kids some EVA foam armor, Deadpool and Nightwing. And this year I promised I would do them some more, so they want to do the Death Trooper this year. I should have started the video a little earlier, but the stage I'm at is I've got sort of one set ready to be cleaned up prior to painting it. So here's the back piece. I got the bracers. I took a little bit of artistic license. Here's the front of the chest piece. Yeah. Thigh piece.
I was crawling through here.
So what's next is I'm going to clean up all the edges. And then I'm going to paint it shiny black. Over here is the second set. 2 kids, 2 sets of armor. Twice the fun. So this is the basic design of that chest piece. I've already scored it. Give it a little extra bend in the back. And here is the other set. Just the, it's all cut out mostly. We got one shoulder piece sort of into place. And yeah, I just took, I made some patterns before I cut it out, and I used reference photos from the 501st website. I said I kind of used a bit of artistic license. I'm not going to make it identical. I'd like to, but it's, you know, it's not that easy. And then I'll use this guy, sort of my inspiration reference point. So, yeah, take a couple pictures and I will update as I go. So I've got the armor pretty much attached. I've got it at least heat sealed. I've siliconed around some of the edges. Try to tighten that up a bit. Zoom in for you there. So now, pardon me, I'm just going to clean up the edges with my trusty Dremel. Try to see if I can round that out a bit, and I'm going to try to see if I can paint this without Mod Podging the armor. I'm going to do one test. I'm going to try the Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover. Sorry about that. It's got a paint and primer, so if I can skip that step, not to half-ass it, but I don't want to have to Mod Podge 83 pieces of armor for the kids here. Alright, that's today's project. So there's the results of the Mod Podge on the right. and just the heat sealing, you can tell that the paint didn't really take, just kind of absorbed in. The one with the Mod Podge is nice and shiny, so yeah, there's really no way around that step, it looks like. Alright, here's a sneak peek of the, I did one coat on the front chest piece there. Good shiny, I already Mod Podged this one, so there's the other pile of it all. Alright. The shininess came out really well. I did end up Mod Podging all of it, basically. Yeah, it's cosplay, but it looks good. I'd say this is on par with Dad Level 100 Halloween costume. There's the leg pieces, the back, obviously. I put a couple of coats on the front to give it extra shine. I want the chest piece to look really good. There's the forearms, and there's the back. I need to, I'm gonna do some silver accents on it at some point, and then, I don't know, we're gonna try it out, I guess. We'll see, we gotta fit it out tonight, so. Alright, stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Thought I'd do an update, kinda not halfway through, but I've got the finished pieces and right now I'm just strapping it up. I'm using a combination of elastic band, what do you call this stuff? Jumbo woven elastic roll. There it is. Just hot gluing it. So I've used pretty much hot glue on the whole thing. And also loop and hook, basically Velcro, which is going to be, so I can make that expandable. I'll take some photos of it after, but that's for the front. You can see how I hung the back piece off there. There's the inside of it for reference. Just hot gluing that in there. It's pretty sturdy. What else? The belt. It's just a nylon work belt with a clip on the front, about 12 bucks, and has some of these. I don't know where they came from. They're little camera case things that I had to use as the pouches. Okay, I will update in a short while. Okay, here's the armor. It's all finished. It's all strapped up. The back piece, it's all attached together with the butt plate. There's the inside.
Why didn't you show this part?
Yeah. So there's the, put some Velcro on there so I can adjust the size of it for over the years. The gloves, just some dollar store gloves with foam on the back. Here's the chest part. And there's how I strapped it together. A bit of elastic to just keep it from flying around. And then again, the front's got the Velcro so I can adjust the size for the kids. The front part attaches to the belt buckle. Where is it? Over there. Yeah. Just to keep it from falling down. That belt's pretty big on the kids, so I don't need suspenders or anything. And the thigh piece just has a bit of strapping, and that attaches to the belt to hold it up. And just some dry fit shirt from the Gap. And the leggings are actually just girls' leggings from cheap store, but they do the job. Alright, we will get all the armor on in a bit and show off the kit as it is. Alright, let me see some action shots. Give me some action poses, boys. You see the back of those costumes. Oh yeah. Lighting in here is not the greatest, is it? Alright, what do you say? Trick or treats or what? Okay.